Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw King Kong with his battle axe from the new King Kong vs. Godzilla movie. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with Kong holding his axe, we're going to begin with a face. So I'm going to start right about here and I'm going to make his eyes. So we're going to begin here by drawing a little line that just goes down and up, and then one here that just goes down and up for like two little check marks. Then right inside of here, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curl around for an eye, and then one more right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and over. Same thing on this side. And they'll put a little V shape right in the middle. Then right here, I'm going to add two little lines that just kind of curve down. Now, starting right here, we're going to draw a little line down on this side, and a little line down on this side for the cheeks. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes across for the mouth. A little line that goes in on each side, and then a little curved line right here. I'm also going to add just a little tooth that's kind of sticking out here. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down and then in. One over here, it's just going to go down and then curve in. Make a little line that goes up and down, and then back up and down over here for the area above his eyes. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then one that goes down over here. And then I'm going to just kind of make a pointy line that comes down. He's kind of got this beard now since he's older, and that's going to curve back up here. Then I'm going to just curve this around. It's going to come up here, and then we're going to come back down here. We'll add a couple little lines right underneath his eyes. We'll add a little line that just goes up and down here for the ear, and then one that goes up and down here for the other ear. A couple little lines here. Now, starting here, we're going to work on his body. So, starting right here, we're going to add a little line that goes down, and then a little line right down here for his shoulders. I'm going to start right in here, and I'm going to make a line that just goes down. It's going to go down and then back up for his chest, and then one here. It's just going to go down and then kind of curve around. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down here for his body. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that just goes out, and it's going to come in. Make another one that goes out and then down. Make one that goes out, and then it's just going to come right down to here. Going to make another line that's going to curve right here. I'm going to make a line right here. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come right to here. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to come down and around. We'll do this again right here for 2 fingers. One right here for 3. And then finally one right here for 4. Now starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to come in. Make a little line that curls right here. And then a line that's just going to go down to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to come back up for a thumb. Going to make a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to go down and come back. Make another one that does the same thing here, and one right here. And then we'll add a little bump right there for another one. We'll make a little line that goes right up here. Now for like the handle of the axe, we're just going to draw a little line that goes right to here. It's going to jump through here and come right down to here. Then we'll add a little space right here. Going to add a little line that curls around. Then starting here, we're just going to make this kind of wavy and bumpy. We'll make it pop out here. It's going to get a little bit wider towards the bottom. Then I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to go up. It's going to be pretty bumpy up here and then coming right back down. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line. It's going to go up. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that just goes out. It's going to jump over here and it's going to come down and then go down at an angle like this. Right about here by his bicep, I'm going to make a line that curves in and then comes back out towards the arm. Then right here we'll work on his feet. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curl around. We'll add another one right here. One that goes out and around like this. And then I'm going to add one right here like this for another little toe. Draw a line that goes out. It's going to come out and in. And then we're just going to go right back up here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that just goes down. Make another one that goes out and then down. This one's going to come lower because it's going to be closer to us. Make that kind of toe that curls out a little bit. Make a line that goes up like this. One more here. One here, and then we'll see a little one right back there. Then I'm going to bring this line up and in. And then we're going to go out like this. And we'll connect the hand up here. Now let's come over here and add the spikes on here. So there's been a lot of talk. We're not too sure what this axe is going to be made out of. A lot of people say it's Godzilla's, one of his dorsal fins. So we'll just go ahead with that. So I'm just going to start right here. I'm going to make a little line. It's going to be kind of wavy and come to a point. May come to another point here. Add one right here. And another one down here. Maybe a small one there. And I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, come to a point, and that's just going to curve right back to here. We'll add a little line or two right across here, and then a couple more over here to make it look like it's tied down, like he's figured out how to use tools. Now we have our basic Kong shape. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details on here. So let's start it by the face. I'm going to add the pupils in here just by making a small dot inside each eye. We'll add a couple little lines right up here. And a few more lines up here to kind of help show where the eyebrows are. Gonna make a little line coming in here or two. Maybe a few more lines underneath the eyes. Add a few little lines right by the mouth. I'm going to put just a couple little quick lines right along by the fur and everything. We'll do the more fur lines with coloring and all that, but just a couple little extra lines. On the body here, we're just going to make a little broken line right down his stomach. And then he kind of has like a six-pack on here, so we're just going to add some little curved lines right along here. We'll make some kind of curve down. You can add a few little extra lines just kind of around some different areas for some different ideas of like where fur is going to be. Just some extra little lines kind of all over for a little bit of texture and detail. We'll add little lines right around here where like his knee would be. I'm going to come in and add some toenails onto here on his feet. Just some little lines that curl around. We're going to add some extra little lines right around here just for a little bit of detail, texture and everything. Maybe some fur lines right around here kind of showing where all the hair is going to end. And then I'll add a couple little more extra lines right up here by his chest. I'm going to come here and just add some long kind of broken lines right along his axe here. And then a few little lines kind of all along the dorsal fin right here that's got the blade of the axe. We'll add a few little extra lines right along the fingers. A few more over here too for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Kong holding the battle axe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.